enthusiastic. Get ready to scale new heights with the latest Google Doodle, celebrating the Paris 2024 Olympics. Engaging. Google just dropped a super cool doodle highlighting sport climbing's big moment at the Paris 2024 Olympics. This doodle features birds scaling a Parisian building, capturing the thrill and agility of the sport. Sport climbing made its Olympic debut in Tokyo 2021 and is now climbing to even greater heights in Paris. 68 top climbers from around the globe will compete in speed climbing and the combined events of bouldering and lead climbing at the Le Bourget climbing venue. The atmosphere is sure to be electric. This doodle and the growing global interest show just how excited everyone is for sport climbing at the Paris 2024 Olympics. Don't miss out on the action. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates.